Hi, I'm Talo, and in this episode of DI Women in Conversation, I've got Dimpho. Dimpho, please tell us more about yourself.
Hi Talo, thanks for having me. My name is Dimpho Phukubje. I'm a graduate engineer with IS Cubed, and I'm an aspiring solutions architect.
Awesome. So what does DI do to empower women?
So DI promotes gender equality for everyone, and that includes learning programs as well as training programs.
Awesome. So what would you say is your superpower as a woman?
Well, my superpower is empathy. Having grown up being an auntie, which I still am, I've learned to see what a woman is through my niece's eyes.
Awesome. And who's the woman that inspires you?
My sisters. My sisters have played a huge role in raising me. They've also taken the motherly role, so I'm very grateful for that.
Awesome. And what message do you have to women out there?
Be fierce, be kind, and simply enjoy life.
Thank you so much, Dimpho.
Thank you.